Hola a todos! Welcome back to Spanish with Patry. Today I'm here to teach you in less than 5 minutes how to say the date en español without making a single mistake. Are you ready? Venga, vamos! Primero, first things first, the days of the week. ¿Cuáles son? Os lo digo muy rápido, I'll tell you very quick. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, notice that V, viernes, sábado, and domingo. What do we say in English normally? In English we say, on Sundays, I go to have a roast. On Mondays, I go to school. In Spanish, we don't say en. That's a bad translation, okay? We never say on for the days of the week. We say the. For example, the Saturday, el sábado, the Wednesday, el miércoles. You can use the determiner the, el, or los. The singular form or the plural form. Doesn't matter for any day of the week. They're all masculine. I repeat, never say en, okay? Bad translation. How would you say, on Saturdays I go swimming? Los sábados, or el sábado, voy a nadar. Never en sábado. Remember that, it's such a common mistake. I correct it every single day. Y ahora, los meses del año. Okay, now we've seen the days of the week. Let's go for the months of the year. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, my favorite, mi cumpleaños, my birthday, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, and now we are in diciembre. Okay, so now we know the days of the week and the months of the year, but how do we say the date? Easy. In Spanish it's easier than in English because in English we use ordinal numbers. First, second, third, 15th. In Spanish we don't do that. We use the normal number. So, to say May the 2nd, in Spanish we would say the 2 of May. Simple as that. You do need to flip it around though. It's not May the 2nd, it would be the 2 of May. So follow this very simple formula. El, then the number, then you say de, and then the month. Okay? Remember those two. El, number, de, and then the month. For example, 19th of June, mi cumpleaños, my birthday. How would you say that? El 19 de junio. That's it. How would you say 8th of December? El 8 de diciembre. De diciembre. Remember, this is not French. French people say de. We say de. Smiling a lot. De. 31st of April. El 31 de abril. Easy, right? Okay, one more. 26th of January, for example. El 26 de enero. You get it? So I'm a teacher, right? And when I go to school, I write the date on the board in Spanish. So how do I write it? Imagine, for example, Monday, the 10th of December. How would I write that? Lunes 10 de diciembre. In this case, I don't need to say lunes el 10 de diciembre. I can just say lunes 10 de diciembre. Y ya está, tan fácil como eso. And that's it, as simple as that. Less than 5 minutes, date in Spanish. If you like this lesson, follow me for more. Sígueme para más. Gracias. Adiós.